Broach.
The word broach has multiple meanings and can be used as a noun or a verb. Let's explore each meaning and provide examples to illustrate their usage. 1. As a noun, broach refers to a long, thin tool used for making holes, particularly in materials like metal or wood. It can also be a decorative pin or ornament worn on clothing. Here are some examples. The carpenter used a broach to create precise holes in the wooden plank. She adorned her dress with a beautiful brooch that had intricate designs. 2. As a verb, broach has a couple of different meanings: to bring up or introduce a sensitive or difficult topic for discussion. For example, he decided to broach the subject of a salary raise with his boss. She carefully broached the idea of moving to a new city with her family. To pierce or tap into a cask or container to access its contents, especially in the context of tapping a keg or barrel. For example, the bartender skillfully broached the beer keg for the party. The winemaker broached the wine barrel to sample the aging wine. It's important to note that the pronunciation of broach changes depending on its usage. As a noun or when referring to bringing up a topic, it is pronounced as broach, rhyming with coach. When used to describe tapping a container, it is pronounced as broach, rhyming with roach. Overall, broach is a versatile word that can be used in different contexts, whether referring to a tool, a piece of jewelry, or the act of introducing a sensitive topic or accessing the contents of a container.